So are supplements required for body recomposition? I'll tell you what my supplements are.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hi, this is Clint. So today I'm going to talk about what supplements I use for my own nutrition. Now, I've used supplements for many years, especially with multivitamins, and I'm still using multivitamins. It's just that these days, because I'm older, I switched to the men's over 50 formulation. So I'm not really loyal to any particular brand. Just depends, I guess, what's on sale and what I like about their nutritional metrics. But today I have this is the 1 a day for men 50 plus. So I'll just take one of these every morning. That's pretty standard for me. And even during travels, I'll take these along with me. The other thing that I do since I started my body recomposition is that first thing in the morning, I'll take a glass of water and add basically 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. And these are dirt cheap. And again, I'm not loyal to any particular brand as long as it's high quality creatine monohydrate only. Okay, I don't use anything extra in there that's fancy. It's just the creatine monohydrate that I'm looking for. And this helps give me a little bit more energy for my workouts. So every morning I start with this. The other thing that I take, the last component, and again, I don't go crazy on lots and lots of supplements. I keep it fairly simple. And the last component will be protein powder. Again, I'm not loyal to any particular brand. It just depends on what's available when I need to get restocked. But I do go for the isolate forms of protein powder. I don't use the normal standard whey proteins, and that's because I find that the isolate has a little bit more protein, but also it's got less lactose because they filtered out most of the lactose. I'm supposed to be lactose intolerant even though I don't have very severe symptoms. I still drink milk, but I'd rather consume as little lactose as possible, so that's what the isolate does for me. So I use the protein powder as part of my afternoon snack. In fact, I made a separate video all in what I eat for snacks, and this is just part of it. So this will be the beverage portion of my afternoon snack. Just simply 1 scoop of protein powder, and I'll enhance it with a little bit of skim milk powder as well. So these days, these are the 3 supplements I use. Works great for me. Now, just a quick note, when I go on travels, especially extended travels on big scuba diving trips or big ski trips, I'm not gonna bring this with me, right? It's just too bulky. And I'm not gonna carry this stuff in little containers too, because I think the immigration customs official are gonna get a little suspicious. What's this little white powdery stuff, right? So I'm gonna avoid all that stuff. What I do instead is that instead of bringing this, and instead of bringing creatine, I am going to simply bring a stock of protein bars. So the protein bars will be in place of the powder. I'll still bring my vitamins though. These are easy to carry during travels. But for creatine and protein powder, I'll use the much more portable protein bars instead. So that's it for my supplements. Please support me by hitting the like and subscribe, and we will see you in my next video about nutrition and fitness. Thanks for watching.